Hello and welcome to Product Critique. Today I'm proud to present what I believe is the best hot glue gun with sticks. The Fireproof Mini Glue Gun Kit with 30 transparent glue sticks. Rated at 20W and using 7x 130mm sticks. Let me walk you through what makes this glue gun stand out, how to use it, and whether it's the right pick for your DIY toolkit. You receive a compact, palm-sized glue gun designed for portability and ease of use. Its drip-free nozzle ensures less mess, and a heat-resistant rubber cap safeguards the tip when idle. A small built-in stand helps keep it upright on your work surface. Included are 30 transparent glue sticks sized 7mm x 130mm, which suit many crafting tasks. When you plug it in, the gun heats fairly quickly. Within a minute or two, it reaches working temperature. The trigger feeds the glue stick through steadily, giving you smooth application. Because it's only 20W, it's not going to melt massive chunks of material instantly, but for papers, light wood, fabric edges, embellishments, and small repairs it handles the job neatly. The transparent glue sticks let you see how much is left, and their length makes them easy to load and replace. One thing to watch is temperature. If left idle too long, the tip can stay hot, so always use the stand or the rubber cap. Also, due to its lower wattage, it isn't ideal for heavy-duty or industrial adhesive work. For bigger jobs, you might want a higher wattage glue gun. To use it, plug it into a nearby outlet or extension cord. Wait for it to heat up. Then squeeze the trigger gently. Apply glue to one surface, press the other piece quickly while the glue is still hot, and hold for a few seconds until it sets. If excess glue appears, you can trim or peel it once cooled. If you're into crafts, model building, DIY repairs, or embellishing, this glue gun kit gives a great balance of portability, usability, and included supplies. Its safety features make it beginner-friendly too. That's my take on the Fireproof Mini Glue Gun Kit. Thanks for watching Product Critique.